Today we're going to make a mango tart. I am super excited for this. I want to share with you all. I got this recipe book, Eat Caribbean, from my mom, and it's written by Burke. And this was kind of one of those gifts you get as you are leaving home or just left home, and it's almost like, where's mom now that I need her? But in this book there's some wonderful Caribbean recipes, and mango tart is one of my favorite. So we're going to be doing that with the 3 littles. Super special, coming right up. This is Name, Family Travel Africa, and in celebration of our 1-year anniversary, we are all going to make a mango tart. Azza, are you ready?
Ready.
Azza, are you ready?
Ready.
I think Tay is ready too. This is going to take us to some very, very warm weather, and we couldn't think of a better way to celebrate Family Travel Africa a year on YouTube. So let's get started. So this is a super simple recipe. Azza, you're gonna tell us all that we have here. What is that?
This is sugar.
So we've got 5 ounces of sugar. And Azza, what's this?
Mango.
These are 4 mangoes Mama already cut, peeled, sliced, and drained. And we've got butter, so we're going to use about
2 ounces.
2 ounces, which is a half stick of butter. And we've got some
Pastry.
puff pastry. And there are 2 sheets in here. We're only going to need 1. We have a little bit of flour just for our rolling process. And the first thing we do is get to the stovetop. So let's head over there.
Let's go.
Okay, so Azza, the first thing we're gonna do is turn our oven on. So Mama's gonna put that to 400. Turn it up, and we say start. While our oven is preheating, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our mango tart. First thing, Azza, is the butter, right? So we're gonna get the butter in the skillet here. Awesome. Good job, Azza. So you almost done melting that butter, right? And what is the next step gonna be, do you think?
Oh, probably the sugar.
Yeah! We should put the sugar in there, right?
That's
Alright, you can come and pour the sugar.
Wait, right now?
Sure. Let's pour the sugar.
Into there? Okay.
Yeah. So you take this hand away. You hold with this hand. Yeah, good job. Just pour your sugar in there.
And I get to mix it up?
If you'd like to. Would you like to do that? Good job.
Wait, it doesn't say mix it up?
Well, it does say mix it up. So Azza, Mama's going to help just a tad, and then you're going to take over. You want to try mixing? Okay, you try mixing, and then you hand it back to Azza.
Yeah. Then.
Alright, hand over to Azza. Let's see if she can finish up the stirring process here.
To make all of it looks like a soda.
Yeah, just keep going. Azza, this looks really good. We gotta keep stirring, and when the sugar gets just a little bit browner, like golden brown, we're gonna put the mangoes in.
Oh yes!
So funny. Good job, girl. So good job, Azza. You see it's turning brown. So this is a lot browner than when we started, and you can see it's almost like syrupy, right? We have some parts of it that are going syrupy. So let's just keep going. When it all gets to this kind of brown, right there, yeah, then we're gonna put the mango in. Good job. So you see how it's really brown now? And it's all like syrupy. Thank you, girl.
Oh, Mama, that part is
So now we're
real
gonna
syrupy.
go ahead and put our mangoes. Who doesn't like mangoes? We love mangoes. How come I didn't know you didn't like mangoes? Hey, man.
Come on, you gotta get up.
Let's save that one for your girl. Let's turn down the heat just a tad. Oh, you see all that's like caramel. You see? Simmer out. How's that? Does it look good? Yeah.
Chill out.
Chill out. Simmer out. Chill out. Yeah. So while Azah is stirring the mangoes gently, slowly, it's probably going to take another 15 minutes, right, Azah? And in the meantime, Azah and I are going to roll out the pastry, okay? Good job. So Azah, we have our puff pastry, and we have a little bit of flour. Azah is feeding the baby. So you and I are gonna do this part. We're only gonna use one sheet, right? So
Not two.
it comes with two, but we're gonna use one. So the first thing you wanna do is sprinkle. This is a nice clean top, so we just wanna sprinkle all this stuff here. Of course, you need to. This is your part. Yeah. No? It's flour. It's our puff pastry. Okay. Yep. This is it. Like the way these guys roll. So Pepper Ridge we have been using for a while. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put this on top. Are you ready to roll?
Yes, Mom.
Are you ready to roll?
Yes.
Okay, come over this way. Let's get some rolling action.
Yeah. I like to roll.
Roll it out. It's like Play-Doh times, huh? Good job, Azah. Oops.
Let's start.
You're okay.
Yeah, Mama, something.
We can always put a little bit more.
One time I did that with. Mama, one time I did that with clay.
Okay. Put a little more. You wanna? Okay, go for it.
That from here.
So we're just gonna fit this on top of our skillet and then put it in the oven. And it's gonna be in the oven
Mustache.
for about 20 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think that looks good. I'm gonna try to stretch it out just a tad here, just so we have extra. It's always good to have
Just
a bit.
a little bit, not tad.
Just a little bit. A tad is a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
This looks really good as that. We're gonna try to cover this up, right?
Mama, why does it look white on the camera?
Because it is white.
Huh?
It's puff pastry, Tata. I'm just gonna fold in, try to tuck in my edges. Work on some finger strength and arm strength there. Try to cover all of this up. And you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna have to tuck it.
Took it.
I want a good seal. So I'm just kind of pushing on. It really isn't that hot. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hole in the middle of it. And that way any steam can come out. It's almost like when you're making a pie, right?
Yeah.
So now we're going to put it in our oven. 20 minutes. Here we go.
Excuse me. Nice.
400 degrees, yes. I'm going to put this on 25 minutes. Start with 20, but it'll be between 20 and 25. So
25.
here's We've taken this out of the oven and it's pretty cold. Why? You can see I'm holding with my bare hands, right, Azza? And we folded our puff pastry. We love it so much we didn't cut it out. Now we're going to try to turn it over onto our pan. See what happens. So, you ready to see it? Now we're good in position. See what it looks like.
Okay.
Yummy.
Where's the mango?
You don't see the mango?
It's right. She has that.
Delicioso. Look at the mango. It's caramelized. It's all over. This looks so good. As a congratulations.
Wow.
What do you think, Azza? Very good?
Yeah.
You guys did a great job. I love the way it looks. I know I'm going to love the way it tastes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!